Hi, my name's Colin, and today I'm going to teach you how to cook Japanese-style curry. The type of curry which I'm making, Japanese curry, can be made in a variety of different ways. For this recipe, we're going to use a bunch of carrots, 2 baking potatoes, a large onion, about 2 pounds of chicken breasts, and this Japanese golden curry mix. For our next step, we're going to peel the carrots and the potatoes. Next for the potatoes. Now, I'm going to cut the carrots and the potatoes. Now we're going to cut the potatoes. We're going to put these in the water. Now we're going to cut the onion. Now we're going to cut the chicken. We're going to start cooking the dish, and we're going to put oil. We're going to set the heater to medium-high. Put this over it. Now I'm going to put the onions in. Just going to break it up into small chunks. We're going to put the chicken in. and the chicken a little. I'm going to put potatoes and carrots in. Now, I'm going to put some water into it, just enough water to cover up the top. We're going to get everything covered by water. And we're going to cover this up and set a timer for 20 minutes. Go. It's very important to stay here until it starts boiling, because when it starts boiling, it may bubble up and overflow, and that can be dangerous. So you need to stay here. And once it starts boiling, immediately set it down to the lowest setting, which is still like a heat. Once it starts boiling, you can set it down to low and let it simmer, but make sure to come back every 3 or 4 minutes to make sure that it isn't boiling up and going out again. The timer's just gone off, so we're going to test if the vegetables are ready. I'm going to go check it out on this carrot. Press it against the wall. And if it breaks easily, then it's ready. If it doesn't, then it's not. And it's not breaking easily. We'll see the same thing with a potato. It also isn't, so we're gonna have to give it more time. We've let it go for a bit longer. Time to test it again. We need to test it because if it isn't soft enough, then it might not taste good. And it looks like it's ready. We're going to turn the heat off. And put curry cubes in, 4 of them. You can put more or less depending on how much you like, but we normally put in 4. And we stir it around until they are We're gonna let it simmer for 5 more minutes, stirring it for a little while during these 5 minutes. Now the curry is done, so we can turn the heat off, which we turned on when we started to simmer it. Well, it looks like it's ready, so it's time to serve it. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make Japanese curry. Now, I'm going to show you how to serve it over rice.